One of my favorite things about the U-Bolt Pro is the fingerprint identification. It's the fastest way to unlock the door, and you can have multiple people enrolled. I can have my wife and my kids all unlock the door with their individual fingerprints. That's not the only way that you can unlock it either. I can use the combination code, you can use the app, and you can also, if the battery ever runs out, you can just use a normal key. Another great feature about the U-Bolt Pro that I love is the auto lock feature. So if I ever leave my house and I forget to lock the door, I have it set to lock automatically in 30 seconds, which is great. Gives me peace of mind knowing that my door is always locked, even if I forget to lock the door. Something else I love is the bridge. What it does is it gives a temporary access code, which is great for an Airbnb or a rental property, so that I can share the code with my guests and set it to expire when they are ready to check out, and then set a new code for new guests that come in. And even better, I can check the activity log from anywhere in the world to see when people are opening and closing and locking the door at any given time and throughout the day, wherever I am. This lock has really made my life a lot easier and has been a huge upgrade from my regular lock. My family and I, we really love it.